Art has always been about pushing boundaries and exploring new frontiers. But what happens when creativity meets technology? Today, we're diving into the world of AI art, the latest evolution in digital expression that's changing the way we think about creativity and creation. Whether you're an artist, an enthusiast, or just curious about this fascinating new trend, stick around as we explore how AI is reshaping the art world, transforming creative expression, and sparking a revolution in how art is made. So, what exactly is AI art? In simple terms, it's artwork created, in whole or in part, using artificial intelligence. AI algorithms process and learn from existing artwork, analyzing elements like color, composition, and style to generate something entirely new. From realistic portraits to abstract, surreal designs, AI art spans a wide range of styles and techniques. But how is this different from traditional digital art? Let's break it down. Digital art has evolved significantly over the years, starting from simple computer-generated images in the 60s to the rise of graphic design tools like Photoshop and Procreate. Each era has brought new possibilities for artists, but AI art represents a whole new chapter. It's not just a tool, but a partner in creation. With machine learning models capable of generating intricate, unique pieces in seconds, the role of the artist shifts. Now, we're not just creators, but collaborators with AI. For many artists, working with AI opens up exciting new creative avenues. AI doesn't have rules or biases. It generates ideas that a human might never consider. This collaboration leads to unexpected outcomes, new styles, and often a fusion of creativity that's almost impossible to replicate manually. But it's not without controversy. Some critics argue that using AI takes away from the authenticity of the creative process. What do you think? Let us know in the comments below. This brings us to one of the most debated questions in the art community. Is AI a tool, or is it a threat? On one hand, AI has democratized art, allowing people who may not consider themselves artists to experiment with art creation. But on the flip side, there's concern about AI replacing artists or devaluing human-made art. In the end, the answer may not be black and white. Perhaps it depends on how we choose to engage with this technology. If you're intrigued and want to try working with AI art yourself, there are so many ways to start. Some platforms offer custom AI artist services tailored to your preferences, helping you find an AI artist that aligns with your vision. Check out the link in the description to explore some of the top options and find your perfect AI artist, whether you're looking to create art for your business, home decor, or personal projects. AI art is here, and it's making waves. Whether you see it as a tool, a collaborator, or even a competitor, there's no denying its impact on creative expression. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of AI art. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. What are your thoughts on AI art? Revolutionary, controversial, or maybe a bit of both? Let's keep the conversation going.